You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the cherry? Where is the strawberry? Where is the mango? Please like the video if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the banana? Where is the lemon? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.